Hello, my name is Michelle Moore, and this value proposition presentation for the Palace Party Venue was created for entrepreneurial marketing, which is part of the Masters of Entrepreneurship degree program at Western Carolina University. The Palace is the place to make dreams a reality by creating unique, high-quality children's themed parties that are magical and memorable for our guests. The Palace specializes in themed birthday party celebrations that include games, face painting, storytelling, dress up, photos, concerts, fashion shows, and the ultimate spa experience. First, let me start by saying that the inspiration for the Palace came from the 2005 computer animated science fiction comedy called Robots. In Robots, Bigwell was the chief inventor in the movie. His slogan was, "See a need, fill a need," and that resonated in my heart. It spoke, and it's not just because my daughter chose it every other Friday night for our movie night for about 5 years, but instead it spoke to the incubating entrepreneur inside of me. I believe we are all created with purpose and to solve problems. Each of us contributes to our society, and we bring impact for change. Elizabeth City doesn't have a party venue that offers theme parties for kids. They are found in Virginia, ranging from 45 minutes to up to an hour away. And I was a parent that participated in one of these parties, and I was inspired to fill a need in our city, to keep our money in our counties. And just in case you're wondering, yes, we still watch Robots about 3 times a year, and I'm grateful because it refreshes my entrepreneurial page. First, I want to talk about the ideal clients for the Palace. The ideal clients fall within 3 age groups. That's 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12 for girls, and in the age group of 4 to 9 for boys. Now, theme parties are very popular among children that are between 4 and 10 years old, especially when they're still playing dress up. The world of make-believe is their magical place in theme parties. Now, the age groups coincides with the type of parties for girls. Age 4 to 6, you have the Princess and the Little Diva era. Age 7 to 9, you still have some diva, but it goes into pop star, rock star, and of course the fashionista. But ages 10 through 12, they can dip into that middle age range, but it also extends into spa experiences, manicures, pedicures, and facials. Now, what little girl hasn't been told that she wasn't a princess? And on the other hand, what little boy hasn't put on a cake pillowcase, made a cardboard sword or a shield, and pretended to be a superhero? Now, at the Palace, we create a place for kids to become these characters. The Palace will give them a place to make their dreams come true. The groups that we've selected to target for the Palace are elementary and early middle school age children. Primarily, I'm targeting parents with discretionary income to invest in these special parties. Therefore, first I look at parents that are investing in social activities for their children. This would include dance, theater, intramural, or even traveling sports teams. Parents that invest in these types of activity are more likely to invest in these types of parties. I was one of them, just wanting to expose my daughter to new opportunity and friends, as well as always wanting to do something above the average to create a wonderful childhood memory for her. Since dance, theater, and intramural sports exist in most cities, the Palace will service a 25-mile radius, which includes, as you see here, Pasquotank County, Camden County, Perquimans County, as well as Chowan County. Now, by sheer proximity, we should be able to gain a presence in Gates County as well as Currituck County. Social media is the ideal launch and landing pad for the Palace. Facebook will help create the buzz about this new party spot, leading to customers of school-age children that will want to have repeat party experiences and ultimately generating referrals for new clients. The Elizabeth City Chamber of Commerce will be a primary connecting source for the Palace. And the Chamber of Commerce, it connects businesses to the community, and it's an awesome resource that offers a creative marketing platform to showcase small businesses. We have a magazine, it's called Livability, as well as the business can host a business after hours party, or there can be a luncheon there as well. Of course, if I am targeting parents that invest in social activities for their children, I will frequent the dance studios, and church youth groups are also a place where you have children that are so excited, and they are still at that age where they are so into parties. Sporting events, girls and boys play soccer, girls and boys play volleyball, and it is especially important to be at vendor-related fundraisers. Marketing the Palace is really going to be fun. I find that all of these areas, the dance recitals, the youth groups, the sporting events, as well as the vendor-supported programs, all of these will be places where I can find the ideal clients, and it'll be places for me to circulate promotional material. Theme parties have been gaining popularity since 2014. In a feature on kids' birthday parties, are a big business for brands, Punchbowl Trends state, while not every birthday party has a theme, the ones that do will leave a lasting impression on guests. When the guest of honor chooses a popular character for their party theme, guests may be more excited to attend. And in a recent study of party hosts, 53% responded that their child chooses the theme for their party. The average parent will spend $250 to host their child's birthday party, and a number of brands cannot ignore that. Punchbowl Trends blog is the leading celebration site for moms, and it offers marketing insight as well. And theme parties generate excitement, fun, and memories. I want to talk a little bit about the party packages that will be offered at the Palace. If you could please take a look at the brochure that is in your package, I'm going to be reading from that. Now, for girls, we have theme parties that include princess parties, fashion and the runway, rocking the red carpet as a diva or pop star, and of course, the Spalala experience. Theme parties for boys are taken from movies and action figures like pirates, dinosaurs, toys, ninjas, and superheroes. Now, we also create specialty parties with alternate themes for guests, such as tea parties or parties with sports themes or their favorite hobby or interest. Now, our starting package price is $250. It can go up to $450, and that depends on the additional items that can be added to the party, which you can see in your brochure. These party enhancements include deluxe party favors. You can have mailed invitations instead of emailed invitations. There are custom labels for bottles of water, and we always find it fun when there is a Sunday station or even a chocolate fountain at these parties. There are many great features to the parties at the Palace. First, 2-hour parties feature custom activities that highlight the party theme. They include games, storytelling, dress up, there are photos, karaoke concerts, fashion shows, and the ultimate spa experience with cupcake-scented mani-pedis, chocolate facials with cucumber eye treatment, and we do offer a little light makeup application. There are custom designed digital invitations and thank you cards, theme decor with table settings, as well as party hostesses that cater to their every desire. We create high quality children's parties that are magical and memorable for the child as well as their guests. At the Palace, we make planning for a child's next birthday celebration easy peasy and stress-free. We take the hustle and bustle out of the party shopping by gathering the perfect items for the child's theme party. We make special items that are keepsakes for party friends that won't be lost or thrown away. We provide everything that a person needs, from invitations to entertainment to decorations, party favors, setup, cleanup, thank yous, and more. We want the Palace experience to be awesome for everyone involved. Our mission is to make the Palace the best day ever party place, to make dreams a reality by creating unique, high-quality children-themed parties that are magical and memorable for our guests. Parties are about good times, good friends, and good memories, and that is exactly what the Palace does, provides a place for children, including their families and friends, to get together in costume, to transform into their favorite princess, their favorite pop or rock star, to a diva or runway model, or to take the stage as their favorite action figure or superheroes, and we capture lasting memories for these little superstars. I've talked a lot about what it is. Now let me tell you where it is to be. The pending location for the Palace is 500 East Main Street, which is downtown Elizabeth City. We want to be a part of the revitalization of downtown. At this time, I would welcome any questions, and I do have the contact information on the screen. We do have a website. It's www.thepalace.net. If you have any additional questions after we finish this presentation, you can always email me at beourguest@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you again.